Hey, it's John-Marc and thanks for checking out my latest video on teaching you how to draw cartoons. Today's lesson, I'm going to be sharing with you how to draw a cartoon cat in an Isshinryu karate gear. He's all set for some karate. Alright, so if you have your pencil and you have your paper, let's begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Now that was a fun lesson on sharing with you how to draw a cartoon cat in an Isshinryu gi. Ready for karate. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a fun time sharing it with you, but one of the things I want you to take home today is sketching and practicing. So the more you do, the better you become the artist. Alright, thanks for checking this video out and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.